Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. Please stay to the very end where you can see my little chihuahua Mookie. She's around here somewhere. She got a little camera shy as soon as I started filming, so we'll get her in on the end. Today we're just going to make a drink. This is called a Maui Tropical Schnapps Hurricane. It's sort of just my own concoction, so I'm using Maui Tropical Schnapps as the main ingredient for my hurricane. Of course, any good hurricane, you need a hurricane glass. So I got a nice hurricane glass. Just going to build it over ice. So we'll start out with 2 ounces of the Maui Tropical Schnapps. And this will give the hurricane its nice red color. Usually they put grenadine in it. Okay, and this is a tropical drink, so I want it to be a very rum-based. So we'll do a ½ ounce of Swedish Punch, which is just a rum-based liqueur. Get some of that rummy goodness in there. And then we'll go an ounce of 151 rum. And then we're going to go a fresh OJ today. I got the juice from 2 fresh oranges. Now this citrus juicer has about 2,000 pounds of pressure. And I'm finding in a lot of my tropical drinks, the fresh juice really makes the difference. Okay, that's what I got from 2 full oranges. We'll go a splash of passion fruit liqueur, a splash of pineapple. We have just enough room for a dark rum floater. I got some nice dark Jamican rum just to put on the top there. And then I have a nice disheveled umbrella with a maraschino, cherry, pineapple, and orange. And that, my friends, is my Maui Tropical Schnapps Hurricane. And that concludes another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.